But for our finance minister, Muntaka would have been on the
that's why he was crying so badly.
Muntaka was going
kind. Yes, I'm told, sir, now on also crown, he was supposed to have been part of the coin and one could be. Yeah. Now, the national chairman, I can say. Now, I was set on no national chairman, or war flight, and so I see the Benton and the vice chairman.
I was supposed to be on the flight. Allah does what he wants. Allah does what he wants. I was supposed to be on the flight.
I know.
Then last minute, I directed my vice chairman, who is Dr. Safo, that he should go and stand in the party. And he accepted. In your human ways, you will be thinking that if I had not sent Safo, maybe he would believe me. But who knows? God might have decided that if this is his time, he will be knocked down by some contrary. So we don't question what Allah wants and he has done. So in all things we have to give thanks to him, because what you are talking about, if this thing happened, maybe if it hadn't happened, something worse would have happened. So we can't understand.
I just started asking questions and they kept telling me, like, then the name started coming. At first we had Muntaka, and later on, you know,
sorry to cut him, but for our finance minister, Muntaka would have been on the
that's why he was crying so badly.
Muntaka was the fifth person on board with Dr. Manibuama.
Hey.
Then Atu dragged him out.
At the Air Force Base.
Atu said, no, you can't board because we have a meeting with the immigration guys and I need you there.
That explains his tears.
Yeah, that's why he was
so he boarded the aircraft.
He was supposed to go. Murtala was not on the flight.
Murtala rather
was not on the flight.
Because they normally go
5.
So Murtala was not on the flight.
Murtala wasn't. So it was supposed to be Muntaka.
So it was when Atu insisted and dragged Muntaka out.
Then Murtala
replaced him as a vacant seat. Then Murtala replaced him.
So many things happened yesterday. Because our president was supposed to go, he
crying,
didn't go.
Understand him.
Muntaka was supposed to go, he was pulled out, and somebody else went. Yes. So it's only God.
Yes, I'm told, sir, now on also crown, he was supposed to have been part of the coin and one could be. So this tragedy may see, it could have been worse. And look, I was seeing Mabusia for Yako. Papa. Me and Ra, me penny for issue, not penny for a bob and nano. Nano, ya.
Let me see me video be on Abu Muntaka. Oh, Susan. Colleagues ni be a call again, no.
And you see, me and Ra, see her no. Person call me young could be in a year. Minimum sanum. At some day you be see when I'm saying, Mamma. I say. Yeah, no. You be yes, and yeah. Because we be nim don kwa. You be free we as ya.
Na no ya na late Professor Mills. Mo ye ne way say ya na honorable munya Murtala ne o mane bo mo nyina.
Last week Wednesday, ye koye orientation. The chief of staff organized orientation for all government appointees. And ye koye Dr. Manibuama, on the bechere kwaya be so as government appointee obekasa how to communicate. No be good. Oh doc. Sir, Akwajo, you watch I have office. My imagine say enkai ya be kura na mefa ho. So
on this somber occasion, may May I respectfully invite all of us to observe a minute of silence in memory of our fallen